Everyone, welcome to NG Maths channel. Today I have taken a question from the circles. The problem is related to the tangents of a circle. In the figure, a circle is inscribed in triangle ABC. If sides of triangle AB is equal to 10, BC is equal to 8, AC is equal to 12, find BL, CM and AN. Here you are given by three sides of a triangle. Let us go for solution. The only one basic point here we are going to use is the tangents drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. Here from external point B, the tangents drawn are BL and BN, these are equal. From A, AN, AM are equal. From C, CL, CM are equal. This is the only basic we are using here to solve this problem. Let us write are given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, AC is equal to 12 centimeters. We know that the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So here there are 6 tangents drawn here, that is from B, from C, from A. Now number 1, from B, BL is equal to BN. Let us, for our convenience, let us take these lengths as some x, say let it be, these two are equal, it be some x. Similarly, tangents from A, those are AN is equal to AM, that is those lengths are Y. So these two are equal, let them as some Y. And from C, 2 tangents were drawn, that is CL is equal to CM. Let the length of the tangent is, let's say. Now we have three sides. Let us take their sum, that is perimeter of the triangle. AB plus BC plus CA is equal to, that is what is the length of AB? AB is 10, BC 8, AC 12, 10 plus 8 plus 12, that is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 20 plus 10, 30. What is AB in terms of x and y? AB is sum of these two segments, that is BN plus AN. BN plus AN. BC is BL plus CL, and CA is CM plus A is equal to 30. BN, x plus y, this is x plus, these two equal as some z, x plus z, this is CM, z plus y, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z, 2 times x plus y plus z is equal to 30 plus x plus y plus z is equal to half of 30, 15. Now let it be equation 1. Now let us proceed here. X plus y plus z is equal to 15. X plus y plus z is equal to 15. You know, what is sum of x plus y? That is, x plus y gives AB. So, x plus y is AB plus z is equal to 15. What is AB length? 10. 10 plus z is equal to 15. Z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5. That is, if z is equal to 5, x plus z, BC is equal to, what is length of BC? 8 centimeters. BC is sum of x plus z, 8. Z is 5. X plus 5 is equal to 8. X is equal to 3. Similarly, AC is equal to 12 centimeters. That is, AC means sum of y plus z. Y plus z is equal to 12. As y is 5, z is equal to 5, y plus 5 is equal to 12, then y is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. Therefore, what are the required things? BL is equal to x, that is equal to 3 centimeters. Next one is CM. CM is considered as z, that is equal to 5 centimeters. And AN is equal to y, that is came as 7 centimeters. This is how we find the values of required segments using the concept of tangents drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. Thank you. I hope you understand.